How to fix textures or maps not loading in Warzone. 1. Switch to your dedicated GPU with WTM, if you can. 1.1. NVIDIA, 1.1.1 Add the COD game into Manage 3D Settings list. 1.1.2 Choose High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Refer to the IMG below. 1.2 AMD, 1.2.1 Add your COD game into Switchable Graphics Application Settings at Radeon Settings. Preferences Additional Settings Power. 1.2.2 Allow your game to use High Performance Profile in the Graphics Settings section. 2. Change the graphics and in-game settings. Turn off these reported options: on-demand texture streaming, cache sun shadow maps and cache spot shadow maps options. 3. Remove multiplayer pack 3 and /or, uninstall compatibility data packs. 4. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Delete the game cache files, both the Battle.net and Blizzard Entertainment folders, at %program data %. 6. Repair corrupt game files in Steam. 7. Uninstall then reinstall the problematic COD game. Like this. 8. Stop overclocking your GPU, if any. 9. Contact Activision support.